Welcome back to Zodiac Universe. Today, we dive into the Taurus horoscope for December, exploring the emotional landscape, decisions, opportunities, challenges, and breakthroughs that await you this month. Settle in, because this is a detailed, reflective guide meant to help you move confidently through the final chapter of the year. Let's begin. December opens with a surprising emotional tone for you, Taurus. Normally, you are grounded, steady, and sure of yourself, but this month begins with a sense of hesitation. You may find yourself second-guessing choices that normally feel clear. This indecisiveness may catch you off guard, but it doesn't mean you are losing your stability. Instead, it shows that the decisions ahead carry weight. They matter, and you can feel that. Whether these decisions relate to your career, finances, home life, or a personal relationship, the pressure may feel heavier than usual. But remember this, your uncertainty is not a weakness. It is your intuition asking you to pause, reflect, and make sure you fully understand all sides before committing. You're not meant to rush this process. Give yourself permission to feel nervous or unsure without letting those feelings dictate your direction. As the days move forward, remind yourself of your strongest qualities: reliability, patience, and practical wisdom. You know how to evaluate things deeply. You know how to sense what is real and what is not. Whenever doubt tries to creep in, stop it immediately. Take a breath, return to your natural sense of calm, and remind yourself that you have handled far more difficult decisions before. Your instincts are capable. They always have been. By the second week of December, clarity begins to form. The fog of uncertainty starts to lift, and the decisions that once felt heavy start falling into place more naturally. You may even find that the moment you choose your direction, validation follows almost immediately. Someone may confirm your choice, circumstances may align in your favor, or a sense of internal peace may wash over you, reminding you that you did, in fact, choose correctly. Around the middle of the month, new opportunities may appear, especially in the areas of work and money. Even if you didn't expect such options to show up, they do. A job shift, a financial opportunity, or an alternative path you hadn't previously considered may suddenly enter the picture. And once again, trust yourself. You will know which choice is right, and you will sense which option holds long-term stability for you. As we move into the third week of December, the energy shifts toward family and personal connections. A disagreement or tension involving a family member may rise to the surface. This could be about responsibilities, boundaries, or past issues that someone may bring up unexpectedly. Although it might cause irritation or emotional strain, resist the urge to react quickly or let your frustration show. Instead, approach the situation the way you would handle a child having a difficult moment, calmly, patiently, and without feeding into the drama. This conflict, while annoying, is temporary. It will pass more quickly than you may expect, and your steady, composed response will help prevent it from escalating into something larger. Your maturity becomes the anchor that stabilizes the situation. As December progresses toward its final days, something unexpected begins to unfold in your favor. An unusual investment, idea, or effort that you may have questioned earlier, something you weren't completely sure would work out, finally starts to bring results. The payoff may not be enormous all at once, but it is strong enough to wash away previous concerns and reassure you that your patience was worth it. This moment brings a quiet sense of satisfaction, a reminder that even unconventional choices can lead to stability and reward when handled with care. And as the year closes, you step into a calmer, clearer emotional space than where you began the month. What started with uncertainty ends with confidence, stability, and a renewed sense of direction. December becomes a month of growth, decision-making, and personal strength, all qualities that prepare you beautifully for the year ahead. Now, let's close with a message you may want to carry with you. You are in control. You are capable. You have everything you need to make the right choices, and this month will show you exactly why. Thank you for listening to Zodiac Universe. If you enjoy deep, thoughtful horoscope breakdowns like this, make sure you stay connected so you never miss an update. Until next time, continue moving forward with patience, clarity, and trust in yourself.